Welcome back to Cirespeed Reviews. Just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. I went to Disney store just a couple of days ago and I got a deluxe figurine playset from the Mandalorian show. I decided to pick this one up because the coloring on this thing is pretty nice. The characters look well done. Really the only one that kind of stands out to me that doesn't look quite right is the incinerator trooper. The helmet looks a little off. So we got right here in front, we got Din Djarin. Color looks pretty nice on it. Cara Dune. That I was watching some YouTube videos that they're actually considering maybe bringing her character back, and I would love to see that. I mean, she never departed from the show, but they were talking about canceling her character out, and I'm glad that some of the executives were standing up for her. So we had Dave Filoni and Jon Favreau was kind of sticking up for her, and not trying to get her pulled out from the TV show. So they intervened, I believe, in some way or another. So I'm glad they're not canceling completely her character. Also, we got a little Grogu in the front. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Right. Got Moff Gideon back there in the back. I noticed his eyes was a little off. All right, we got Grief Karga back there in the back, looking pretty sharp. We got the armor right here, the gold helmet. Yeah, so all these characters we got back here in the back. All right, so we got IG-11 looking stunning back there. Pretty cool. Notice the logo for Mandalore back there. Skull in the backdrop. Black saber. Looks a little wonky to me. But yeah, all these characters look pretty good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to open this package up. It's in the plastic container right now. Actually, let's take a look around. It's a nice image right there. Mandalorian. Very cool. Alright, so let's open this up. Here they are outside of the box. They're still kind of taped on. They use these little kind of little secure things to keep them in there. But plan on doing is utilizing these guys to make to do photo shoots in the backyard, make them look really nice. So I'm planning on doing something similar to that. The only issue with these is that you cannot really pose them. You're pretty much already with the pose, but I'm still going to have some fun taking some pretty decent pictures. Hopefully they'll come out pretty decent. So you can find me on Instagram, Cirespeed Reviews, under the same name. And I'll put a link down there in the bottom so you can also click on that and give me a follow on Instagram. But yeah, I'm planning on taking some pictures with these guys, pose them and everything. Well, not really pose them, but kind of like set them in a nice location in my backyard and take some decent pictures with them. All right, so let's take a look around and see if we can get some better images on these guys. The IG-11 looks pretty sharp. It's impressive how they get the likeness of these characters. my camera to focus properly. It looks pretty good. Yeah, this is the guy I'm having problems with. His helmet looks really wide. But it looks bad. That character looks pretty tough. So yeah, I'm gonna take some pretty decent pictures with these. Hopefully it'll come out pretty nice, and post them on Instagram. Probably do some more videos, maybe on YouTube. So then again, this is the deluxe figurine playset. You can get this at a Disney store. Yeah, it's about $26, something like that. Yeah, so these guys look pretty nice. Can't wait to take some pictures with them in the backyard. Some action pictures or something like that. Some kind of effect going on in the backgrounds and stuff like that. But if you'd like to give me a follow on Instagram, just go ahead and look for Cirespeed reviews. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do so, please. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of 2021, December. So if you can do me a favor and click that subscribe button and a notification bell, so whenever I put a new video up, you can be the first to comment and help grow my channel. Alright, so if you haven't seen my video on the unboxing of my Mandalorian helmet I have back there in the back, do so. I'll leave a link so you can also check that video out. Alright, so thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, leave a comment down there at the bottom, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great one. Thanks for watching Cirespeed Reviews.